There you go. What is up, YouTube? Today we are here, Rock River. First time ever fishing the Rock River, and we're right now just walking the shorelines with a jig, experimenting, getting to know the depths, getting to know the bottom contour. A lot of rocks, but in that, guess what loves rocks? These smallmouth bass. So we started off with this beautiful smallmouth on this tiny straight-tailed jig, and we're gonna go from there. I got 2 rods rigged up behind me with shrimp on them, and we're gonna see what happens. Stay tuned for some epic action. I guess I should release this guy on film though. All right, so we're doing our thing right here on a little path. Look at that beautiful fall colors, beautiful smallmouth bass. Let's go. I really like that. That wall over there looks so enticing, man. The sun's not really shining over there like it was, but I know there's fish sitting over there. There's one. There's one, guys. Go on, bring him in, Joan. Bring him in, bring him up so he doesn't get off, buddy. Come on, bring him in. Over here. What are you doing? Why do you gotta do all that extra? No, this is a smallmouth bass. Yes, sir, we got another smallie here. Sir, another smallie. Let the little man reel him in. Bottom hook right there. You see the bottom jig, bottom lip. Typically, a lot of days when I catch crappie or smallmouth or anything, any of those predator fish that you catch, this ice cold, man, ice cold. But a lot of times when you catch them in the bottom lip like that, they're just not feasting out there. They're just kind of sucking it in. And I'm not like going aggressively and jigging it today. Today I'm more of a just kind of slowly just bumping it through the bottom and letting it ride out in between them rocks. But look at it, here we are, another Rock River, Illinois smallie, keeping our skunk streak going. No skunks on live, baby. Let's go. Look at that beautiful fish, guys. Yeah, we gotta appreciate the art. Absolutely beautiful. Out here on the tube jig. That time was on the tube jig. Let's go. On the tube jig out here, Rock River. All right, guys, here we are. Another beautiful smallmouth bass, Rock River. Awesome, awesome fish. A nice treat for October.
Is it a cat?
This a catfish? No, no, no. There ain't no whiskers on this mofo. This is smallmouth bass.
Huh?
Smallmouth bass.
Small bass?
Catfish have whiskers, like kitty cats. Smallmouth bass, guys. We're going in for the release. Someone just asked me if he was a cat. Just asked me if he was a cat. Cat got whiskers, motherfucker. Is that a cat? Meow. Beautiful smallie, guys. Rock River over here. Hell yeah, having some fun. Let's go. Little man reeled him in. Get him, Jonah. Felt the tap and everything. Set the hook in right now. Look at that. Look at that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's another smallmouth bass out here, guys. We are not fishing cold water or warm water or anything like that. We're catching smallmouth bass out here on the Rock River, dude. on these tubes right here. Look at that. We're gonna have to bend that tube jig hook back, obviously. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. This I like better because I'm doing the live with you guys. As you can see, got you on live right now. Look at that. You guys are all on live right there. Shane Singletary. I got Shane Singletary on live today, guys. What an honor. I know you cannot beat the tube catching fish. I fished with a lot of people in my lifetime. Shane Singletary, you take him out with you. He's one guy that will not stop. Keeps going, will not stop, dude. Will not stop, keeps going. Going in for the release. Smallmouth bass, ice cold, by the way, guys, ice cold. And again, I was not planning to come out here and catch these. I was not. I got shrimp on the bottom. I was planning to go slow and steady, trying to get something. And look at, we're out here catching freaking smallmouth bass, baby, on a tube in October. Just what, less than a week from November? It's beautiful. Let's go. Oh, there's another one, guys. There's another one. Wait. Oh boy, this is a big one. This is a big one, John. 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 Get him up. Take him up. Take him up. Yeah, yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
I didn't do that.
Look at this one, guys. Hell yeah. There we go. We're getting bigger now, boy. Yeah.
The next one, can I reel in the whole thing?
Yes, baby. Yes. You could definitely reel them in. Beautiful fall smallmouth bass out here, Rock River. First time ever stepping place on the banks of this location. We started with a small TRD straight tail, put on this tube, and instantly, two right away on this tube, boys. Instantly. Let's go. Nice. Very nice smallmouth bass. Smallmouth bass.
Smallmouth, that's
Yeah.
a nice one.
Yeah, it is. It is.
Holy cow.
The other ones were a lot smaller.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good fun. All right, guys, there we are. Another beautiful fall smallmouth bass here on the Rock River. First time ever here, and boy, I will tell you, it is gracing us. It is gracing us. It is gracing us with some beautiful, absolutely beautiful fall smallmouth bass. This one quite bigger than the other ones we've caught, and I am extremely grateful for the beauty. Do you want to pick that up? That we are about to release. Let's go, guys. We showed you the Rockman. We got these Rockmen out here. Very cool location.
Yeah, can you check out the Rockman again?
But we got these Rockmen out here. We showed you that in the beginning of the video. These freaking people that are literally built out of rocks. Awesome. I mean, dude, miles and miles of shoreline. You can walk and just toss a jig and fish. It looks like almost all night. There's no like restrictions as far as like evening fishing or anything like that. First time ever here, scoping it out, literally scoping it out. We're gonna go to another area and scope out later on. But that's our mission today, is scoping it out. And boy, a year and a half, I've been looking at this spot online on Google Maps, pictures, information. Never have been here, been in the area, and now we are finally here. And to come out and catch fish like this in the fall, in October, after a 30-degree evening, and we're not even hitting 50 degrees today, phenomenal. Phenomenal. I love it. Let's keep this going, guys. That's not good.
But look at that bass.
Look at that, guys.
Is that a smallmouth?
Smallmouth bass. Dude just told me to go to the dam, and I said, fuck the dam, man. He's like, I don't know what you're doing, man. They're catching fish at the dam.
You're catching fish.
Oh boy, this is in there. Yeah, this camera was not filming at all, unfortunately.
Can I maybe felt spines?
There we are, guys. We got the hook in this baby. Nice smallie here, Rock River. Hold this rod real quick, John. And get this hook out. It's in there. I'm gonna have to pop this baby out. It is in there. So what we do is we take the line and we wrap it around our fingers, and we make it tight, right? Then we put our thumb or our middle finger in there, and we pop it out. Pop that jig out. Boom. Just like that. Just like that, guys. Don't need any pliers, nothing like that. You just get that line tight and pop it in there. beautiful freaking smallmouth bass. He hit. I wish he would have hit when that asshole came by telling us what are we doing? Gotta go down the dam. They're catching fish at the dam.
You're the one who said, I don't know what I'm doing.
Look at that. Beautiful smallmouth bass out here, guys. These are October smallies. I cannot believe that it took me so long to get out here and catch smallmouth bass on the Rock River.
It's not a smallmouth bass. It's a big mouth.
Going in for the release. October beauty. Let's go.
This. Oh, there we go.
Dad, can I reel it in?
Don't move it.
Oh, dude, this is a drum. This ain't even a smallie, so that doesn't count.
What is it?
It's a drum. It doesn't even count.
It's a
Whoa.
It's a drum. So that means I can still fish. Yeah, let's go.
That's a drum.
It's a drum, guys. That doesn't
What is
count.
it?
I said 2 smallies, okay? I'm gonna chop that finger off, dude. Put the camera down so I don't have to lift up as high. Why are you making me do so much work? Put the camera down. Down. Jeez.
Yeah.
Here, hold this as well.
I can
How am I supposed to?
No, we're not
two
gonna eat
cameras.
this. I don't know what is you and Mama about eating these drum. Look at that, guys. We got a drum. This is the sheep head. Sheep's head right here. We caught a lot of fish today, by the way. I'm gonna lip him just because he's not a big one. We catch these on Lake Michigan all the time, sight fishing.
Why are you swinging the lure?
Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, guys. So I think that's one of our biggest indicators today. Right now, we're fishing a very sunny, I mean, the sun is just shining right on this little flat that we're fishing. And I think it's warming it quite enough because we have drum. We're catching drum out here on lures. That's awesome, guys. Going for the release on this big drum. I thought it was a big smallmouth bass, but we'll take it. No, he's not dead. He takes him a little bit. There he goes. He gone. He gone.
He's a big.
Nice job, Joan. High five. Yeah. All right, YouTube. That is going to do it for us today. Rock River. First attempt ever at the Rock River in Illinois. And we became very successful with the smallmouth bass. Came out and tossed 2 bottom rigs down with shrimp, trying to just see what we can do. It's a lot easier to do. Obviously you guys saw that I was doing a live while I'm filming this video. It's a lot easier to bottom fish when you're doing that, but luckily I had my sons out here today, so they were able to follow me around with my jig and rod, and we became very successful at catching. I got a stick on right now or something. At catching smallmouth bass today on the Rock River with jigs. We also caught a sheep's head, a freshwater drum, also known as a sheep's head. So today, actually a very successful day after repeated evening attempts at just bullhead. And I refuse to make a video on just bullhead. So today, success, smallmouth bass out here, Rock River. And we did it on tube jigs and little straight tails, both of which were a dark green pumpkin color. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Always remember what geofishing brings to you every week of every month of every year. Thank you guys again for watching. Please subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time on another geofishing exclusive. Peace. What is up, YouTube? Today we are fishing the Rock River right next to the Rockman, well, pretty much near Rockford, Illinois.
Yeah, come right here.
We are going to try for whatever we can catch. We have never been here before, so you're going to have to mess around and experiment to see what is available.
I've seen this a lot of times before, and it is a giant
Piles of
crystal.
rocks?
That is a huge giant crystal.
Why is there just random piles of rocks?
After this for a picture.